Welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new general solution for the question of differentiable equation x square y dash plus x and y is equal to 1. Find the general solution. Find the general solution of this question is unknown. So first of all, we can write this question x square y dash means dy by dx plus xy is equal to 1. Now we are trying to finish this x square. We are divide both sides. So x square dy by dx, dividing in here also by each term x and y, x square is equal to 1 divided by x square. Now this cancel and x square is cancelled. Dy by dx is plus, that is be plus, and y divided by x as equal to 1 by x square. Now we are comparing this equation number first with the linear differentiable equation. As we know that dy by dx plus p of x and y is equal to f of x. If we are consider, so this will be f of x, and y is given, px is 1 by x. So here p of x is equal to 1 by x. Now we try to find the integrating factors of this questions. Integration factor, we are finding integrating factor is equal to e exponent of integration of p exponent of p of x dx. So is equal to e exponent of p of x is equal to 1 by x. Dx is equal to e, we can write log of x. This integration is equal to log of x. So log and e are cancelled, we get x. Now integrate, we multiply integrating factor, that is x, on both sides of this equation. So x dy by dx plus x into y divided by x is equal to x into 1 by x square. Now cancel to each other this one. This is not cancel, this is dy by dx. Now x and x are cancelled to each other. This form we can write this function differentiable. So dy by dx and x and y is in the product of this form. X and x are cancelled, is equal to 1 by x. Now this dx is multiplied in here, d into x into y is equal to 1 over x into dx. This dx multiplied by here. Now taking integration on both sides, so this will be cancelled. X and y is equal to log of x plus log of c. So now we are required the value of y, so we can write y is equal to log of x divided by x plus log of c divided by x. So the general solution of y is equal to, this is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.